Good morning, friends. Welcome to Option Achievers channel. Many people are asking me, sir, the market is downtrend. Shall I go ahead and buy the put option or sell the call option? Which one is better? So, for those people, I'm trying to make a video over here. Let us look at the difference between buying the put option and selling the call option. For each, there is an advantage and disadvantage is there. In buying the put option, the winning percentage is only 33%, but the capital required for that is also very less. For selling the call option, the winning percentage is 67, but the capital required is more. Now, do you want to trade in a less probability or more probability? Do you want to trade with less capital or more capital? At any given point of time, there are three things that can happen to the market. Either it can go up, or it can go down, or it can move in the sideways. Now we will further classify the upward movement of Nifty as slightly up and very much positive. Similarly, we will classify the downward movement as slightly downward and very much negative. When you are buying the put option, you are expecting the market should go down. You should buy the put option only when you are very much negative about the market. Even if you are slightly negative about the market, you should not buy the put option. Instead, you should sell the call option. I will tell you the reason now. Now, let us look at the payoff chart when you are buying a put option. If you see, the market is around 10,805. When you want to buy the put option, the price is 125 rupees. For that, you will be paying around 9,390 rupees. The probability of profit or the probability of winning percentage is only 35%, and for you to make the profit, the market should go down below 10,674 on the expiry date, which means the break-even point starts only after 10,674. People are asking questions. I bought the put option and I sold it within 10 minutes. Still I am making profit even though if the market did not go beyond 10,674. The concept here is when you are holding the position till the expiry, which is 1st October 2020, then this kind of situation will come. When you buy the put option and sell it within 10 minutes or 20 minutes, this concept may not work out easily for you, but when you carry forward for more than 2 days, 3 days, or max you can keep it for 5 days. So at this time, this kind of situation will come, and during that time you should think whether you should buy the put option or sell the call option. Now let us look at the selling a call option at this point of time. If you look at the payoff chart, the probability of profit or the probability of winning percentage is 67%, but the premium is very high. Almost you need 1,59,000 for holding one position, but your break-even point starts only after 10,963, which means you are thinking the market is going to be down in the downtrend, so you are selling the call option. If the market is going down as per your analysis, you are making profit. Even if the market does not go up, does not go down, it stays in the neutral, still you are making profit. Or even in the downtrend, if the market is slightly moving upwards means market is 10,805. If the market moves till 10,963, till that point either you will be in less profit or no loss, no profit. If the market goes upward beyond 10,963, then only you start making losses. That is why the winning percentage is 67%, but for that the premium is very high, which means you should have 1,59,000 in your trading account. For that, the profit that you will get is 12,225 rupees. If you see the video, always the seller is making money and the buyer is not making money as much as when compared to the seller, but buyer need less capital and seller need more capital. An option buyer who is paying the premium, whereas option seller is receiving the premium. The option buyer paying the premium and getting the asset, whereas the asset is getting expiry day by day, so the value is reducing day by day. So the time decay is very much favor for the option seller, but for option buyer it is against. Unlike stocks or futures, the option market is different. Options are a decaying asset. As and when the time passes, the value of the option will keep on decreasing. Once you enter into any position, after the entry, the market can go up or down or sideways. When you are selling the position, even if the market is not favor slightly, till you will be in profit. That is the beauty of option selling. One more factor is there, that is volatility. We call it as VIX. This also favors for option selling, because when the VIX is increasing, the value of the option will also increase. If the VIX is high, then the option price also will be high. If the VIX is low, the option price is cheap. Option seller makes money only when VIX is high. As a summary, option selling has too many benefits, and the winning percentage is also very high, whereas option buying is having very less benefit, less winning percentage. The only advantage is capital requirement for option buying is less. That's all. That is the reason the retailers are going for option buying, and they start losing the money easily, whereas big institutional investors like DII or FII is going for option sellings, and they make money continuously. People who are all new to the channel, please subscribe. You will get more videos regarding option tradings in this channel. After subscription, please click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as and when I upload a video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you wish to share the video to your friends, please share the video. And if you want to put some comments, please do the comment section, and I'll try to reply back to your queries. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in another video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.